In your YouTube studio, do you have little adapters, plates for your tripods and your 1/4-inch adapters and your camera mounts and everything, and you have to switch back and forth? Isn't that aggravating? Well, I'm gonna tell you, this little guy right here is gonna change it for you. Y'all hang loose, I'm gonna show it to you. Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well today. Hope you're having a great day. Making a few improvements to my YouTube studio, work from home studio, this little 10 by 10 room I'm in, or 10 by 12. I think it's 10 by 12. When you have tripods and monopods and other things that you have several different cameras on, let's say you have a studio camera like what's in front of me, this one right here. Then you have a GoPro. And then you have a phone mount. It is a pain to go around and having to screw a camera mount onto a 1/4-inch adapter. You know, taking the GoPro off its mount and screwing it on and everything. All the different adapters you can get for the tripods. Like this one is for this quick release up here, but it's only a quick release if you have 3 of these. This one just screws on. I've actually got a new adapter on this one. And then the GoPro, it mounts on a totally different one, which I don't have it here. So I found something, I think I've seen it on Mark Ellis Reviews, is this little ball head. And this is not a sponsored video. This is paid for by Scott. So this one, you can loosen this, move this ball head around, and it has a quick release plate. So if I put this plate on here, snaps on, then your camera fits on this 1/4-inch. And then all you do is push aside and it comes off. This one is different. It's got the 1/4-inch on here so you can mount it on whatever plate you got for your tripods or GoPro arms or whatever. So you got that. This one's a little special. It's got a shoe mount right here. Y'all see that? So when I take, come here you. So when I take my microphone, this is my Hollyland M1 Lark. It mounts right on the side. So then I can take my phone adapter and then when I plug my phone into it, plugs right into the microphone. It's all self-contained. And then if I want to, come over here. Gonna set that down. Boom. Right there. Then I grab my phone. Plug this up, take the phone cable, plug that in. You know, when you're a YouTuber, you gotta have 68 adapters for everything. Bang, there we go. Just that quick. Before I would have to unscrew off the base, go find another base and everything and do that. So this little deal is $15 on Amazon. And I paid for 2 of them. I've got one in front of me, which I'll show you right now. And then I've got this one. And I'd like to have one more to go on my little monopod here. It comes with 2 little bases with the quick disconnect plate on it. This one actually has a little screwdriver, which I don't know why you would need it except in an emergency. It's a little magnetic deal. So this is just a quick video to show you how you can level up your studio or your work from home or whatever you want to do if you have multiple cameras. This little guy right here. So anyway, if you got any questions about this, let me know. I'll answer them. I answer all the questions and comments. I appreciate them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. Can't thank you enough for all the comments and subscriptions and everything. Really keeps me going on this hobby. But I hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching.